Today I'm going to use the Vibe blender to make some mini pecan pies. This is a really great no-bake recipe, so it's really quick and easy. It's the perfect sweet treat. We're going to use these silicone mini muffin trays today. They just make pushing out the pecan pies really easy, but you could also just use regular mini muffin trays. So this recipe consists of two parts. We have a base and a filling, and both of those are going to be made up in the blender jug. We're not even going to bother washing it out in between, which makes it super quick and easy. So let's get started with the base. So into the blender jug, add 1/4 cup of activated almonds, 1 cup of activated pecans, 4 large pitted medjool dates that have been roughly chopped, 1/3 cup of raw cacao powder, and 40 grams of coconut oil melted. Put the lid on and pulse the ingredients approximately 6 times until it comes together. You might need to scrape down the blender jug in between. Once the base mix is ready, you can place a teaspoon of the mixture into the base of the muffin trays and just take the back of the teaspoon and press it down so it's nice and even. Once that's done, you can get it into the fridge to set while you make up the filling. Now we're going to get onto that filling mix, and as I said before, the great thing about this recipe is that there's minimal cleaning up. We're not going to bother washing out this blender jug after we've made that base. We're just going to keep rolling on. So into the blender jug, add 3/4 cup of raw cashews that have been soaked, 6 pitted medjool dates that have been roughly chopped, 3/4 cup of homemade coconut yogurt, 1/3 cup or 60 grams of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place the lid back on and set the blender to smoothie mode. You can blend this for around 20 seconds and then stop to scrape down the sides. Blend for another 10 to 20 seconds until it's nice and smooth. Once the filling is nice and smooth, you can get those bases out of the fridge, spoon the filling nice and evenly over the top, and then back into the fridge to set one more time. If you want to speed up that setting process a little bit, then put them in the freezer for around half an hour. These look great with a pecan on top, and then once they're out of the fridge, you can finish them off with a dusting of cacao powder. So these are out of the fridge now and they're looking amazing. They taste great. They're really nice and caramelly and sweet. They're perfect for entertaining or just for a sweet, healthy snack. Give this one a go at home and let us know what you think in the comments below. Hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll be back soon with another video.